While creating the digital catalog, you had accidentally selected the wrong currency and now you would want to change it. Do you know how to change the default currency of your digital catalog? If not, no worries. In this tutorial video, I'm going to guide you on how to change the default currency of your digital catalog. So without spending any more time, let's begin. This is a demonstration store, and as you can see, the default currency or the currency of this store is INR, Indian rupee. And let's try to change it to another currency. Let's try to change it to USD. So the obvious first step is to log into your GlobalLinker account, and then in the navigation, you have to click this option, which is online store, which will open the control panel or seller panel of your digital catalog. Now, to change the currency of your digital catalog, in the left navigation, you have to firstly click on this option which says Store Settings, and then you have to click on this another option which says Store Details, and which will open the Store Detail interface or Store Detail Management interface, which is this one. Now here, the second element, in fact, from the top, the first one is store name, is currency, and this is where you can see there's a drop down. Now from the drop down, for example, we want to change it to US dollars. In that case, we can select it from here, and then this overlay opens up. Now on this overlay, there are few steps which we have to perform, and only after that we can change the default currency. The first one is to unpublish the store, and the second one is to deactivate the payment gateways or the payment options which are currently active on this account, right? So you will also have to do these steps. Let's understand how to do these steps. So we'll close this overlay, and to unpublish the store, we have to just scroll down, and that's where you'll see there's an option which says publish. You have to turn this off, and we have to click on save, and one of the action item is done. So that's where the store is unpublished. We have also seen the success notification. So this means the store is unpublished now. Now we have to deactivate or disable the payment methods which are currently enabled on the store. So for that, we have to just go to the payment interface in the left navigation. So in the left navigation, in the store settings tabs itself, there's an option which says payment. So we have to click on that, and that's where we will see there are a number of payment options. You have to deactivate each one of them. So on this demonstration store, only cash on delivery is deactivated. So this is where we'll try to deactivate it. So only one method, at least one method has to be activated. So we will so all the other methods are disabled now. Now we can go back to store details, and let's try to do it once again. So this is where again we'll try to change it from INR to USD, and it is now asking us to confirm that we would want to change it to USD. So let's click on confirm and proceed, and the default currency is changed. So on the back end, it is changed to USD. Let's click on save to implement this change. So it will take few seconds to get implemented. The changes are implemented. Now let's go to the front end and let's see if the currency changes. Sorry, so we haven't republished the store, so we have to go back here in the same tab where we have changed the currency. We have to publish the store. So we have published it, and now we'll click on save. So that should republish our store, and let's see if we can see the product. Now you can see the product, and now the currency is changed to US dollar 1000. Now once you have changed the currency, you may have to change the price. So for that, you can just navigate to the catalog section, and from there you can either change it manually by editing the product. So you can just click on the product title, and then you can click edit, and you can change the price from here. So USD 300, if you want to change it to USD 30, we can do that like that, and we can click on save. So this is the manual process to change or update the price. And the second one is using the download CSV. So from here, you can download an Excel file onto your device, and using that file, you can also update the price. I'll just quickly download this file and show to you how to change the price using this method. So the file is getting downloaded. I'll just quickly save that file. I'll just save it here, and this is the file. I think it will need a few seconds to open up. Yeah, the file is open. This demonstration store has few products only. So this is the file. I'll just zoom in a little bit so that the content is a little bigger. Now here you have this column which says selling price, which is the MRP of the product. Now if you want to change it, so for this product you can see we have changed it to 30. Now if you want to change it to, let's say, 10, and we want to change so this is essentially the same product, so I can just change 10, 20, 30, and we can also change it to 50, 60, 70, like that. So we have changed the prices, and we'll click on save, and we will go back to the seller panel, and this time we have to click on upload CSV file. We'll just quickly select the file from our device. There's a file. So it will take few seconds to get uploaded, and as we only have 3 products on this demonstration store, so it should happen very quickly. Now the products are updated, so if we come here and you can see the price, the older price was 1000, which was in INR. Now we have changed that to USD to, I think, 1020. So this is where you can see the for small we have added 10, for medium we have added 20, and for large we had added 30. So the price is changed. So these are the 2 methods you may also want to use while you're changing the default currency of your digital catalog. So I hope you found the tutorial video informative. In case you need any help or assistance, we have provided the email ID and contact number of our help desk in the description of this video. So please do feel free to connect with us.